You guys remember last week when I said I quit Forex to start dropshipping? I'm sorry guys. Please forgive me because I'm back. I've come back because bro, I thought dropshipping is just, posting product and then you start selling on Shopify and then people will start buying and then you'll be making your progress. I didn't know that is ads a joke to you? Advert only. If you know the amount, when I was doing my research, the amount of money people have lost when doing dropshipping because they want to be successful in dropshipping, the amount of money they have lost is in fact, if it's not more than Forex, it will just be like small like this because you will lose money too. It involves losing money too. You can post product for 1 million years and not sell. So me, I was like, okay, since Forex is not working, that will work, bro. And it's not like you cannot be successful doing dropshipping. Yes, dropshipping is very viable too. It's very, like, you can be successful doing it, but you see, Forex has something. And apart from the fact that I've invested a lot of time, a lot of energy, I've made a lot of progress doing Forex. And there's a saying that the devil that you've known for a long time is better than the angel that you don't know, because I don't know much about dropshipping yet. So I will start the struggle stage again and now start sourcing for products, sourcing for how do they call it? They call it hit product or something. Sourcing for a winning product, right? And then after a while, you will now make some progress and then you will lose them again. The same struggle that you go through in Forex is also the same struggle that you go through in dropshipping. So I was like, what? I said, nah, I'm not doing this. And funniest thing, I was scrolling on YouTube and I saw this guy, Way Ups, this guy. And I was like, I saw his progress. You guys, if you know about Forex, you know about this guy. You know Way Ups if you're an upcoming, because he's making a lot of progress. And the funniest thing is, I saw this guy, I saw his throwback, I saw his oldest video. This guy was in one house. If you see his house, like, I was like, how did this guy make this much progress within, like, I don't know, I think 2 or 3 years? He was in very old house, very, I don't know, one kind of house. And then now he rented another house. He's making progress on his content creation. He's making progress on Forex. He just withdrew his last biggest amount probably last week or so. And brands are reaching out to him already. And he's documenting everything on YouTube and everything. And I saw it, I was like, wow, this is literally me. Like, this is what I wanted to do. Like, this is someone else achieving my goals. So I said, nah, I'm not giving up, because I was feeling down when Forex not work out. I'm trying to try dropshipping, but the guy made me feel very motivated. So I had to reach out to him. I went on IG and I said, hi bro, this and that. I said I needed help with this. I tried asking him some questions, and this guy was humble enough to reply me. He even sent a voice note. I'll play his voice note now.
Keep going, you will still work it out. The thing is hard. They had everybody. It's a natural thing. I wonder why we even run from pain. Honestly, because if you look at this life, tell me if you can, tell me something in life that you do without some level of, that you will not face pain.
So this guy said, enjoy the pain. That there's nothing in this world that does not have pain, that does not include pain. So enjoy it. Like, feel the pain, go through with the pain, because even after you are successful in Forex, let's say after you are profitable, you still face some challenges. Even after you are successful in content creation, you still face some challenges. So why not just keep doing it? Like, continue, just go on. And when he said that, it hit me. I realized that, see, this dropshipping that I wanted to go and start, he has his own struggles too. You can even spend more than 5 years doing dropshipping and not be successful, because that was one of the reasons I said in my last video when I quit Forex, that I don't have 5 years to invest in Forex. But bro, I've already invested 2, and I know how much I'm better now. Like, I know how much the content the analysis I'm doing. I know the only thing is just psychology. Trying to look for trade when there is no trade. You just want to make money. Now, it now made me realize something. You see, when I quit, just from last week till this week, I'm now doing something. I'll just go on the chart and I'll just say I want to analyze market. I just want to see where the market is going. I'm not trading, no. I just want to know where the market is going and just analyze charts. And because I'm not looking for a trade, I will now mark a POI that, okay, if price come down here, it will go like this. Do you get your point of interest? Normal. I'll analyze the internal liquidity, external liquidity, structure, imbalances, everything. I will analyze it. I will check where the back price is going. And then, funniest thing, I did it on Euro USD the day before yesterday. I did it on USD JPY on Monday. And it was perfect. I mean, it was so accurate. Like, I was like, so this is how forex is supposed to be if psychology was right. I don't know if you get. It's because I was trying to make money and I was trying to look for trade when there is no trade. That's why I blew my prop firm. And what made me actually say I wanted to quit last week was because I invested a lot of money in the last prop firm I bought. I bought a $50,000 prop firm and I invested a lot of money in it. And it was very, very crazy. It was very crazy because that's my last card. So when I lost it, I was just like, what? So that's why I said, nah, I'm not doing this again. I'm not doing this. But now I'm back. Yes, we'll fight it together. For this guy to make it, this guy is a motivation to me. I know he's not that big. He's not a celebrity yet, but bro, he's making progress. I mean, he's where I want to be. Yes, I'm not gonna even lie. He is where I am looking like, okay, I should even be making small progress, starting somewhere. And that's where he is right now. And I'm motivated, bro. I'm back. I'm not going anymore. Let's focus on this trading together. And you see, in life, whatever you are doing, just keep doing it. I know I said, yes, 5 years is too long, but you will spend that 5 years on other things. So invest that 5 years in it. Just keep doing it. Just keep going. And even sooner or later you will make it. You shall get something out of it. So I've realized now that what I'll be doing is I'll be doing something else, right? Just like this content creation, and I'll also be doing a job. Get a job. Even for content creators, if you're a content creator and you're on YouTube too, and you're YouTube too, and you're trading, or you're not even trading, you're just a content creator. You see, you have to have a job because content needs money. And if you're not seeing progress, because you want to be using content to make money, you will be having emotional now. You'll be emotional. So you will still not want to create that content because there's no money yet in it. Same thing goes for forex. If you are trading forex without money, you will be emotional about that forex because you don't have money to feed yourself to do other things. So go for it. Do what you want to do. Like whatever, either is working or is not. Put in the work. And at the end of the day, you will see some progress. It might not be big yet, but you will start seeing progress. And little progresses is what compounds to be big successes. I don't know if you get that. If you start doing it small, you're seeing little progresses. At the end of the day, after like 5 years, those little progress will have compound and people will be like, oh, he's lucky. No, it's years of hard work. So put in the work to it. That's just my mistake. I realized that dropshipping too has its own. See, it's ads a joke to you. You will spend money on ads and you not see any progress. You can do dropshipping for 1 million years and you not see any progress. So why not just stick with forex? And forex is something you can easily just scale up. It's not like dropshipping that you have to sell your inventory or you have to sell this. Although I think inventory dropshipping has its own advantages too. But bro, I'm sticking with forex for now. I'm doing forex. I'm back. Forgive me that I even left at all. And that's just what I want to say in this video. I'm back now. I will not go anymore. I will not leave forex. I will continue doing it. But now I don't have any prop firm at hand, and I have very little balance. I think I have $8 or $7 in my derivative account. Maybe I will try to grow that $7 to something if it works. But if it doesn't, I might lose the whole $7 to him. For now, I'm prepared to lose. Do you get? But I will not be trading consistently like should I say consistent? I will not be taking trades irrationally anymore. Do you get? I think I know better now. But that's the problem. Every time I'll be saying I know better, I know better. The next thing I will do now is blowing my account. I don't know how it happens. In my last video, in one of my videos, I was like, oh, I'm better now. Yes, I'm better now. I cannot lose account anymore because my psychology is right, my this is right. After that, I still blow accounts. So forex is always making you feel like you are better. But yes, you are actually getting better for real. It's not about seeing progress, getting money yet. Your psychology is getting better, your analysis is getting better, you are learning something from all the mistakes. So just keep going. Just like I will keep going to now, just keep going to. And I will also be documenting everything, and we'll be having that progress together. It's either we make it together, we'll not lose together, shall. So we'll make it together. So let's go. That's what I want to say. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If not subscribed, like, share the video. Guys.